Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an awesome day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomie, and today I'm coming to you with a very quick, easy and simple Christmas tree DIY. So if you want to see how I got these beauties together, you know what to do, just keep on watching. So for this DIY, you'll just need one of these glitter Christmas trees from the dollar store. I've had this for a while. I'm also using this leftover ribbon that I picked up at Michael's and used on my Christmas tree. To start, I fold the ribbon at the top just so it's on an angle, just like so, and then I just start to wrap it around the tree form. Once you get to a place where it looks like your tree form is going to be exposed, what you're going to do is you're going to fold the ribbon and move it up. That way you don't have any exposures. One more time here, you're just going to fold it under and move it up. And that technique is what creates all the beautiful tucks that go from the top to the bottom of the Christmas tree. It certainly adds a lot more texture to the ribbon. Now, because this tree form is pretty and it has a lot of glitter, it's up to you. You could actually expose parts of it as you're moving down, but in this case I wanted everything covered. You can use this technique for any Christmas tree you have laying around. If you want to change the color to match your decor for that year, just go ahead, get your ribbon, and you can wrap over the tree if you do not want to spray paint it. I made 3 of these in total, 2 of which were these beautiful tree forms from the dollar store, and another one was an actual styrofoam tree form that I had made into a feather tree with the boa, and then I decided I didn't want that look anymore, so I just ripped the boa off and added my ribbon. Penny pinchers, do you see how by folding the ribbon I'm adding that extra texture to it? Instead of just having the ribbon flatly going around the tree, I just love that. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment in the comment section below and share your thoughts. Now guys, at this point I'm getting very close to the bottom, so I want to make sure that everything is nicely tucked and that it's tight on the bottom, as this is the only time that I will add some hot glue to the end just to secure it. So here I'm at the very bottom and ready to add my hot glue. Just want to make sure everything is covered. And I'd like to take this time to introduce you to my hand model, Amoya. Thanks, Amoya. Here you'll see me adding just a small dab of hot glue, not too much. In the event I need to use this ribbon again, I won't have a lot of glue on it, and I can just pull it off the tree form and use it on another project. So at this point, all you want to do is secure it at the bottom, and just like that, you have a beautiful new Christmas tree. And here they are, guys. Absolutely beautiful. I love the way they turned out. Now there's one that I have on a stand, and that one was the styrofoam tree form, and I just wanted to add a little bit of gold to it because it doesn't have that ball at the top like the other two. So I just chose to put it on one of these candle holders. And I think it looks great with the other two. Absolutely beautiful. Now guys, it doesn't take a lot to spruce up your home. This basically cost me nothing. So don't be afraid to shop your home, look for old items, and get creative. This is what I did here. Don't forget to leave me a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Alright? And this is all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you did enjoy this DIY. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I truly do appreciate your presence and would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family by hitting that subscribe button below. And make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload my videos. And to all my lovely Penny Pinchers, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher ChelomieC saying bye-bye.